Hello again. So here we have the same data set and we want to make a list here which contains all the names that we can see here. What we can do, we can go from the ribbon to data, and here we can go to data validation. We click here. We can see here that we can have a whole number, a decimal, a list, date. Here we want a list. And now we have to enter the source. The source is the number, the names, all the names that we have. And we just click OK. If we press Ctrl and the up arrow, we can see here that we have a list with the names. Let's click in Harper Smith. Here we want to know what is the salary of Harper Smith, which is in column C, but the name is in column A. So we can use the VLOOKUP function. We type VLOOKUP, we hit the tab button. We have as the first entry to write the lookup value. Lookup value is our name, is our surname, the Harper Smith. So we click here. The table array is the table that we're going to find this name. So we have our whole table. We go and do Control Shift right arrow, Control Shift down arrow to select all of our data table, semicolon. We go up and we see we want to have the column index number. So now we want to tell Excel to give us back the salary of Harper Smith. So what we can do here, we can see that column C is 1, 2, 3, is the third column from our table that we have selected. So we must enter the number 3 here as the column. And then we can have a true as an approximate match and false as an exact match. Here we want to see the exact salary of Harper Smith and not an approximation. So we can enter false or 0, close the parenthesis and hit enter. We can see that indeed Harper Smith has 881 euros. The good thing about this is that it's dynamic. So we can change the name here and the salary will automatically change to Liam Thompson, Ava Johnson, and back to Harper Smith. Thank you for watching again.